Welcome to the 12th edition of World Cashew Conference. Welcome, Mr. Sanjay.
Yep.
Brief about your company, MOI International.
MOI International is into various commodity. The parent company name is Meva Group. We are into oil, we are into dairy, we are into cashew nuts, we are into rice, we are into soap premixes. So our global office is in Singapore. So we have various offices globally. Almost we have 17 offices across the globe.
What is the criteria for buying ASEAN? From which countries you buy ASEAN?
In Cashew, if you see, MOI International is present in all 7 origins, starting from IVC, Ghana, Tanzania, Nigeria, Togo, Benin. We are working. The criteria, if you ask me for the processor, so mainly they go what kind of setup they have. Whether they have automating setup or they have manual setup. If people are having manual kind of processing setup, probably they will go for origin like Tanzania, maybe IVC most preferably. But if somebody is having automated setup, they will prefer to go for lower KOR material because their facility is enabled to process the lower KOR material as well.
So, what is the current processing capacity of MOI Group?
Right now, we have capacity of processing 20,000 ton yearly. But we are looking to increase the processing capacity. Maybe in next 2 years, we are going to enhance our capacity to 50,000 ton. This is what our target.
Where and are your processing units located?
Currently, our processing is in India, in Gujarat. We are processing in Africa, in Ivory Coast. We have 3 units over there.
Ivory Coast.
Yeah.
Okay. Ivory Coast, what is the capacity of those units?
Daily cutting capacity 40 ton we are doing there, and India we are doing 20 ton.
Which are your major export destination for kernels?
Right now our major export destination is Middle East. Primarily Turkey we are exporting huge quantity.
Turkey, okay.
Turkey. Maybe once we will have a build capacity of more than 100 ton per day, so we can target US and Europe market.
Apart from that, you sell it to supermarkets or some other wholesalers?
So the marketing expansion in India is based on the segmentation. So India has a certain segment: biscuit manufacturer,
e-commerce,
supermarket, e-commerce, ice cream, sweet.
You sell it to all those segments.
We are partially supplying to all the segment, but the India market is very huge. The consumption for this market is around 150,000 ton in yearly. So we need to set our target accordingly, which segment we are going to target.
So you do directly or you go through some brokers or intermediaries?
In kernel, mostly we go directly, but ASEAN is broker dominant industry, so we go, you can say 70% broker or 30% direct.
What are your future plans?
For the cashew, if you say our future plan to build our own capacity in Africa. India, we are working with couple of people. We are also building our own capacity in India. Vietnam is also our next destination. Looking to the current scenario, looks like Vietnam is going to be profitable. Like IVC government is changing the policies, that is creating huge risk for the processor. So Vietnam has developed the market. So probably our next destination is going to be Vietnam.
Apart from IVC, is there any other things on the target in Africa?
Not currently. We are not seeing any opportunity other than IVC right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
for sharing all your views.